Good afternoon and welcome to another Crystal Displays Display Corner video. You join us here on a beautiful late summer afternoon here in the UK. We thought we'd take the opportunity of this late autumn sunshine to bring you our latest innovation on our 23.6-inch circle. Now, those of you who would subscribe to our channel, which I hope you do, will know that we've had this circle for around 6 to 8 months now, and we've developed several solutions based around it, including our standard display, a touchscreen version of the display, and a display with the LED halo. We had one specific customer that came to us with an inquiry to use this display in a semi-outdoor environment, and they asked us if we could develop a solution that would keep it protected from the weather as best as they could in that environment. So what we've done with this particular display is we've built in a 6mm glass consisting of two 3mm glasses optically bonded together with UV and IR protection film sandwiched between those glasses. So that gives it not only strength and great optical performance, but also protects it from 99% of UV and around 80% of infrared rays when used in sunlight. Now, this display, even with the glass, is kicking out around 1000 nits, and through a 6mm glass, we think that's pretty impressive. In this particular environment, it will be used in a semi-outdoor piece of furniture. We have IP65 front face, so it'll be integrated at the front, and at the back it will be protected by the customer's own enclosure. If you'd like any more information on this display, or any other displays of that matter, please do consider subscribing to the channel and contact us using the details below. Thank you.